Load each of the 4 wheels into the base and fix it. Turn the base of the wheels over.
Then insert the column into the cart slot of the base. Note: place the side with the RWD logo facing outward.
Flip the column together with the base so that the base is facing up. Replace the 6 screws at the bottom separately to secure the column and base. Place the white panel above the fixed column. Note: the side of the base with the tree is front, and the wider side of the white panel is placed forward. Place the transparent panel above the white panel and fit the screw holes. Note: place the RWD logo side up and forward. Use matching screws to fix the panel. Remove the drawer's fixed key from the drawer and attach it along the slide rails to the trolley. Snap the 2 fixing keys into the fixing slots on either side of the drawer. Items such as spare pipes can be placed in the drawer. Equipment such as anesthesia machines can then be placed on carts for easy movement.